Hello, food lovers. Welcome back to my channel. Today, we're making a delicious gourmet omelette recipe. So, let's dive right in. For this gourmet omelette, you'll need eggs, fresh herbs, colorful bell peppers, creamy goat cheese, a handful of baby spinach, truffle oil, a pinch of sea salt, and some black pepper. Now, let's get started. Begin by cracking 3 eggs into a bowl. Give them a gentle whisk until the yolks and whites are well combined. While our eggs are waiting, let's heat up a skillet over medium heat. Add a drizzle of olive oil, then toss in your diced bell peppers. Sauté them until they're tender and slightly caramelized. Next, add a handful of baby spinach to the peppers. This will wilt down quickly, so keep an eye on it. Now, pour our whisked eggs over these veggies. This is where the gourmet magic happens. Crumble in a generous amount of creamy goat cheese. Add a light drizzle of truffle oil. As the edges of our omelette begin to set, carefully fold it in half. Now, gently slide your gourmet omelette onto a plate. Garnish with fresh herbs and a pinch of sea salt and freshly ground black pepper. And there you have it, our gourmet omelette. Thank you for joining us today. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the notification bell so you never miss our gourmet adventures.